Not only were my groceries free on No Spend November Day 10, I earned $90 in points back and got a free bacon pan and pack of bacon. I redeemed $310 in PC Optimum points on the PC Express app and used this personal offer to earn $60 back in points. I claimed 50 cents on Eclipsa for next year's cash dash for these. I earned $1.50 in points for the almond milk. Then I earned $8 back in points for the Finish and the Lysol. I earned $2 back in points for the lotion, and it's a pretty good price too. And I got $7 in points on these 2 packs of wings. I uploaded my receipts to Receipt Jar, Cattle, Swag Bucks, Air Miles, and Amazon Shopper panel for other rewards. I got a free coffee with my stars, and then I got BOGO Pizza on Uber Eats. I took $55 out of the cash dash for that and for the grocery overage, and at the end of the day, $0 from our account.